Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to install VirtualBox on Windows 11. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now first up, open up your favorite browser. You just gotta type down virtualbox.org. Okay, again, virtualbox.org, and just hit on enter. Wait for it to load. And then once it loads, just click on download right here. Wait for it. Now go ahead and select your operating system. It could be Windows, Mac OS, Linux, or Solaris. Okay. So all we're going to do is just click on Windows host right here, as we are using Windows 11. So save it wherever you want, or save the installer wherever you want. Wait for the download process to finish. And once that's done, you can just click on the installer right here and it will just pop up. Okay. Now, if you do need additional features like maybe USB 3.0 and other features, okay, you can go ahead and, as you can see here, we have a VirtualBox extension pack. Just click on accept and download. Okay, save it on your desktop as well if you want to. Wait for the process to finish. Now, first up, what we're going to do, okay, since we have both installers, install VirtualBox first. Okay, in here, just the basic simple prompts, just basically follow it. Okay, hit on next right here. Install, follow simple prompts, and once done, I'm not going to do it again because I already have it. Okay, and once that's installed, just click on finish, double click on Oracle VirtualBox extensions, and then just click on install. Read through this, hit on I agree, yes right here, and once that's done, if you want to, you could go ahead and restart the computer. Restart, and after that, you can now go ahead and create your virtual machine right here or open a virtual machine. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.